Hey guys, it's weeSchool here, and today I have a unboxing video. This is really cool. Can't believe I have this, but this is an unboxing video. Let me try to use this because I'm gonna stand my camera up on. I'm gonna open this up. Okay. It's finally here. After a week of waiting, it's finally here. Here it is, the weeSchool Classical Toys DVD. So here's the front, back. I can't wait to see the DVD menu on this. Back. Here's the side, like a discovery kit, just like Sage said. Yeah. Oh man, I just punctured it. Shoot. I'm gonna need the knife again. Everyone, always use adult supervision when using a knife. Just for any kids out there who are watching. So let's open it up. Wow, you got the disc. Wonderful. You got this pamphlet. You got the CD. Soundtrack, CD, DVD. Yeah, so hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, comment down below, and most importantly, subscribe. Bye.